Hello guys, my name is Justin and welcome back to a new video. Today I will show you 5 cheap modifications you can do to your E46 to refresh it a little bit and make it look better. Now, let's not waste any more time and get into the video. First thing on the list for you manual drivers would be a ZHP shift knob. It is shorter than the stock knob, but it is also heavier. It weighs around 170 grams. This shift knob not only looks good, but it also feels good in your hand. The quality is amazing and it is definitely one of my personal favorite purchases. You can pick one up usually for less than 100 euros. If you're buying one, make sure you buy the right one for your gearbox, and please do not buy a replica one. I can guarantee you will regret it. Now, to go with the shift knob, another good thing to do is to upgrade the leather boots of the shifter and handbrake. The E46 is already an old car, so a lot of them have wear and tear in the interior. My original shifter and handbrake boots were completely ripped and just looked bad. You can pick either a set of shifter and handbrake boots, or you can buy them separately. Depending on the stitching, type of material, overall quality and seller, prices can start somewhere from as low as 10 euros and go up. My personal recommendation, do not buy the cheapest one. Try and buy either a set from a high rated seller, or you can go the original route with something like this OEM boot. There are a lot of choices and it's up to you to decide what style boot you want and how much you want to spend. The third modification to buy would be kidney grills. In my opinion, the original chrome grills don't look that nice on most E46s. There are quite a few aftermarket grill styles to choose from, like the original style or the F-series style grills. You can also choose between matte or gloss. The prices for these grills are somewhere around 30 to 50 euros. When buying them, make sure you buy them for the right car, because they are different for the pre-facelift and facelift cars, as well as coupes too. I think that it makes the front of the E46 look a lot better in most cases. Number 4 on the list would be brand new emblems. If you just bought your E46 and it hasn't been touched on the visual side, most likely your emblems are either completely degraded or yellow or just look disgusting. You can buy cheap replica ones for as low as 5 euros for a set. Note that it will be either a poor quality plastic emblem or a plastic base with a sticker. If you're going the cheap route, try and buy the variant with the sticker, because I had the cheap plastic one and when it rained, the blue paint of the emblem literally came off. If you want to spend a little bit more money, you can buy original emblems for about 50 euros each. Just when buying, make sure it is the right size. The E46 emblem is 73 millimeters on the hood and 82 on the trunk. And last on the list are of course the angel eyes. The angel eyes were first introduced by BMW in the E39 5 series. Although the E46 never got them, you can still add them aftermarket. The installation itself is not really hard, and I think that this modification is definitely worth it. I personally think it makes the car look very good and aggressive if done right. My personal preference would be to go with the CCFL angel eyes if you want to spend less, and with white cotton angel eyes if you want to spend a bit more. I personally used CCFL angel eyes. They are powered by gas and I think they look and shine 10 times better than the cheap LED ones. The prices vary a lot depending on where you live, the brand you buy and where you buy them from. Angel eyes can go from 30 to 60 euros all the way up to 130 euros. Again, just like with the grills, make sure that the angel eyes fit your style of headlights before buying them. And that is it with all of the modifications. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more BMW content. As always, thank you very much for watching, and until next time.